Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your name on the Signal app. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open the Signal app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your main messaging screen. Now look at the upper left corner of your screen where your profile picture is displayed. Go ahead and tap on it to access your profile settings. After tapping your profile picture, you'll be taken to your profile page where you can view and manage your account information. At the top of this page, you'll see your current profile name displayed. Tap on your profile name to proceed to the editing screen. This is where Signal allows you to make changes to how your name appears to your contacts. Once you tap your profile name, you'll notice your current name appears at the top of the screen again. Tap on it one more time to enter the actual name editing interface. This will open up the text fields where you can modify both your first and last name. Now you'll see the first name text field. Tap on it to activate the field and you'll be able to delete your existing first name. Once you've cleared out the old name, go ahead and type in your new first name exactly as you want it to appear to your Signal contacts. Right below the first name field, you'll see the last name text field. Tap on this field as well, delete your existing last name, and then enter your new last name. Take a moment to make sure both names are spelled correctly and appear exactly how you want them, since this is how your contacts will see your name in their Signal conversations. Once you're satisfied with both your new first and last name, look to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a Save button there. Tap on it to confirm and apply your name changes. Signal will update your profile information and your new name will now be visible to all your contacts. And that's it, you've successfully changed your name on Signal. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.